First is the cats.
What are you doing?
Cats are right. The cats.
I want to see the freckles. Where are the freckles? Can we see them? Oh, they're hard to see.
Look, Mom.
How long is your hair going to be?
Hey, Ryan wants to do this.
You going to let your hair get long like your mommy's?
He's gonna die.
I see your tongue.
This is hard.
Listen me.
Trust me, this is the hardest one.
I'm not busy.
That can shock you though, Ryan.
Yeah, look, I'm not funny.
He's practiced at this one a lot though, Alex, actually. He's practiced.
Shawnee Bear.
Yeah,
Sean.
I did it. Uh-oh.
Mhm.
I